how to install apps on iPhone without Apple ID or password. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install apps on your iPhone without needing an Apple ID or entering your password each time. By adjusting a few simple settings on your device, you can simplify the app installation process and make it much quicker and easier. The first step is to enable screen time. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on Screen Time. If screen time is not already enabled, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. Once screen time is active, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This allows you to manage and control various security and privacy settings for your device. Next, under Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. In this section, you'll see several options related to app installations and purchases. Look for the Require Password option, which is set to Always Require by default. This means your device will ask for your Apple ID password every time you install or purchase an app. To skip this step, change the setting to Don't Require. This will allow you to install apps without entering your Apple ID password each time. To make the process even smoother, you can also disable Face ID and passcode authentication for app purchases and installations. Go back to the iTunes and App Store Purchases menu and turn off both Require Face ID and Passcode for purchases. With this setting turned off, you'll be able to install apps freely without needing any additional authentication. And that's it! You've now set up your iPhone to install apps without needing to enter your Apple ID password, Face ID, or passcode. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this out or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about your iPhone. Thanks for watching,